up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, so check this out. What I want to talk to you guys today about is utilizing your personal credit in the best way possible. Okay? Utilizing your personal credit in the best way possible. Now, when I say this, what I mean is, of course, I'm a big advocate of first, before you do anything, before you do any type of building, you need to clean your credit, okay? If you have blank credit, you need to start establishing credit. You need to start building credit step by step, first with starter cards, and then you'll move to more established cards, okay? So starter cards are basically your Discover It cards. They're your Capital One Platinum cards, cards like that. Right, they're very easy to get into. They'll give you about a $300 or $500 limit, depending on if you ever had any store cards. If you had any store cards, then they'll probably give you about $1,000, $1,500, $2,500 limit, no more than that. Okay, starting out, these are called starter cards. Now, your established cards are cards like your Navy Federal Flagship card, your Amex card, right? American Express. Those are more of your established cards. So after you get your credit clean, it's very important that you want to start building your credit as well. That is extremely important and vital to your credit and just, going on the right track. Okay. So we both know that two is always better than one. Okay. So let's say you're a one-man show. Boom. Right. I always teach you guys to take this information, teach somebody else. Two is better than one. But a lot of times you can make yourself multiple people by building a business, attaching yourself to a business, right? Or multiple business. It's important to have the mindset of abundance. So having multiple different businesses is basically having multiple different yous. You have separate entities that you can create and build credit off of. Okay? So the best way to utilize your credit is to not utilize it at all. The best way to use your credit is to not utilize it at all. Your personal credit should be built for your protection and your protection only. Your personal credit should be set aside for emergency protection and funds only. Okay? You want to build your credit so that you can be established and you can get anything that you want. But you're going to use your business credit to actually acquire things, okay? So your house should be in your business name, okay? Your car should be in your business name. Nothing should be in your personal name. Because listen, if you were to default on any of these payments, and of course, if you're watching this channel, you're not going to default because you all are financially literate, right? So if you were to default on any of these payments, if it's on your personal credit, it's going to take a hit to your personal credit. And now you'll have to get your personal credit clean again, which is a process, right? Which costs money, right? And then you'll have to start over by attaching this or attaching that. And then you'll have to start over by building it fresh, okay? So that's why it's not the safest thing to do or utilize on your personal credit, because you want to keep your personal credit safe. Your personal credit is like your baby. That's what's going to move everything. All right. So you want to protect that as much as possible. You want to operate everything off of your business credit. Okay. That is extremely, extremely, extremely important, guys, when you're talking about building wealth. You can have 3 businesses, one that you're operating from, and literally 2 to the side just in case or when you're ready. Right. But anything so you don't have to use your own personal credit, because that is what's going to keep you safe. If anything were to happen on the business side, whether you default on that loan, you can't make the payments on that house, guess what? It's going to fall on the business, not your personal credit. So at any point in time, the business can be shut down, right? Or you can say, hey, the business went bankrupt. Okay? You just close the business down. Nothing happens. There's no hit to your personal credit, anything like that. Nothing happens, because we also build our business credit up to where we can do what's called have a standalone. And that means that basically your business credit is built up enough to where you don't need to use yourself as a personal guarantor. Okay? So it will completely fall on the business. And if you have the mindset of abundance, You can easily go get funds from over here. Mind you, you still have $250,000, still have 500,000 on your personal credit. Okay, that you're constantly building, constantly building, constantly building. All right, that's a wealth strategy alone. If you between 18 to 40, I mean, really any age, but if you definitely between 18 to 40, that's literally the strategy right there to where you can make millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars just building your personal credit constantly, building your businesses constantly, right? The mindset of abundance, because why are you stopping? Because you don't have anything on your radar that you want to buy now? No, we're not stopping for that. You want to be that person that if any opportunity comes around, you're able to capture and grab that opportunity, and you don't have to be bait used by anybody else, right? Because when you come with your own capital, you come with say so, all right? You come with being bossed up. You feel me? So I just wanted to drop this in today. Another video for you guys. This is very important, man. Use your personal credit, build it, and then use your business credit and keep your personal credit extremely safe so that you can keep getting funded and there will be no cost to you. Okay? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. I'm out.